Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nana's Hidden Apron. Welcome to our home and kitchen. We're going to step outside here in just a little while and do some grilling. I have got to show you all what we're doing. I've hollowed out this pineapple and I've got it, I have some honey and a little bit of cinnamon in there, and I'm using the juices and I keep coating it with it. And here is the pineapple that I removed from there. I've got this on skewers. I have the purple onion or red, whatever, pineapple, red pepper, orange pepper. Some of them down here have some green pepper on them. I just didn't have enough, so I did with what I had. And then we've got some chicken over here that's been marinating in some orange ginger G. Hughes marinade. And I've got them on some skewers too. But we're going to throw all this on the grill, and woohoo, we're going to have us a good time eating this. Also, right here, I've got a mixture of a tablespoon of honey, 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, and a teaspoon of cilantro that I've got, that I'm going to put on some cauliflower rice. After I get it, I use the microwave kind. It's okay. It tastes great. I'm telling you it does. But we're fixing to take this stuff out here and throw it on the grill. Oh boy, I just know it's going to taste good. So we'll be back with you outside. Alright, now this is a little trick. This is coconut oil down inside of this lime peel. And what I do is after I juice it, I put me a tablespoon of it in there so that I can use it on the grill. And it pulls up some of the flavor from the lime. So it works really good. Let's go ahead and put our chicken on. This has been marinating all day. So there's our chicken on, and I put it on skewers so it'll be easier to turn. The next thing we're going to put on, oh, I forgot to take that bowl in. The next thing we're going to put on here is our pineapples. We're just going to lay it on there, let it get a really good char going about it. I think I'm going to pour that little bit of juice out on here. There we go. Now, next on the list. Are these skewers? Pineapple. Kind of sticks a little bit still, even though I greased it up. Looking pretty good. Now, there are some loose pieces of pineapple in here that you can munch on if you want. Alright. I gotta go wash my hands and I'll be back. But we're flipping these over. See how that's making that yummy, syrupy, char looking, delicious kind of a glaze. It's just, ooh, it's so syrupy and yummy looking. Flip over this chicken. Then we'll check our pineapple and see what's going on with it. Alright. Now, again, I've never done this. Ooh, that's been on fire just a wee bit, hasn't it? Ooh, can y'all see that? I'm hoping I don't drop it. Yikes. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. Let's see here. Looks pretty good. There we go. I don't know about you all, but when I'm cooking something new, grilling, you know, baking, any of it, it makes me nervous. So I don't mean to be nervous, I just can't help it. But this, I'm pretty sure this is going to taste awesome. Let's look at this again. Think that's good enough? Got a lot of caramelization going on. I believe that's going to be good enough for this one. We're just going to set it over there out of the way. Oh, come here. Don't mind the ashes floating around. It's just from burnt pineapple. What is that? Fronds?
Yes.
Burnt pineapple fronds. I started to pick it up by that, but I don't think I will. Look, y'all. Look at that. Oh, yeah. I can tell you, this smells delicious. Yes, it does. I keep wanting to I think I'm going to move some of the chicken down here. Some of these little small fragile pieces I'm going to leave up there. But I want to give myself just a little more room on the grill. That way everything will get done at about the same time. But those two, they're a little fragile, so I'm going to leave them on there. Yes, I said fragile. Fragile. Y'all know what that's from, yeah? Oh my goodness. This smells so good. Oh my goodness. Oh, it does. That onion and pineapple together like that, that fragrant, sweet smell that it's putting on. Oh man. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. Just wow. We're going to go ahead and take I say we, Tom's here with me. We're going to go ahead and take the skewers off, the pineapple skewers, and finish up our chicken, which is almost done. We're going to just put everything on here together. I've got to show y'all this. Hopefully I won't drop it. Can you see that? Look at that beautiful caramelization. Oh, can you imagine? Can you imagine the fragrant smell that's going on out here? Wow, it's great. It really is. I believe. Oh yeah, our chicken is done. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Yep. Just the right amount of char to it. We're going to go ahead and shut all these off. And try to get all this on one tray. And then we're going to go in the house and get this all plated up. And I say plated up, we're going to use, obviously, we're going to use the pineapple itself to put all of our ingredients in. So, yeah, there it all is. Now, let's go back inside where it's nice and cool. Once again, we're in new territory. Try to get my sleeves up here so I don't make a mess on me. Okay. Let's pull these off. Now you can always soak your skewers if you want to. I actually thought about soaking it in orange juice, but I didn't. Let's see. let's go ahead and slice up this 4 pieces. There we go. Now y'all can see a little bit better, huh? But I'm gonna go ahead and slice up these 4 pieces. And I'm gonna take a bowl and actually, man, that just, that's just shredding, you guys. It is not even cutting, it's just shredding apart. Wow. Wow. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a bowl then and put this in there. And then we're gonna slide some of this off of here to put in. Oops. And let's see here. We'll put 3 of them there. Now, let me get a spoon. And we're just going to stir all this up. And I'm going to go ahead, tell you what, I'm just going to go ahead and put all of the chicken in there since it's shredding. I'm just not going to worry. Look, see, it just breaks apart. Wow, that's great. So we'll just do it like this. And then we'll put all the pineapple kabobs in here. Mix it up. Put us some in the pineapple. I mean, you know, what a beautiful bowl it makes. Not to mention, you leave some of the pineapple around the edges to munch while you're having this. Not only do you have the pineapple that is on the skewers. This is messy, by the way. But not only do you have the pineapple that's on the skewers, but you have the pineapple itself that you can use as your serving bowl. Okay? Now, this is the cauliflower rice veggie mix that I told you about, Green Giants, that I always use. And we're going to put some in each of our pineapples. Do drain the juice off of these because we have this other, this lime, honey lime juice that we made up that we're going to use. So we want to make sure and drain the cauliflower. If you like making your own cauliflower versus what I just used, that's fine. You do you. Remember that. You do you. And we're just going to spread out that rice just like that in both of these. Isn't that pretty? It's so pretty. It's so tropical looking. Look at me. Oh, look what I'm doing. Now, I got the recipe off of Pinterest. Now, the how-to, let me say. All of the ingredients is stuff that I used myself, that I did on my own. You know, you can put teriyaki sauce on it if you want to. Make your own teriyaki sauce. However you want to do that. Okay? That's how you deal with that. And next, whoops, let's just spill some chicken everywhere. This smells so good, you all. It really does. It's some of the best smells. And look how colorful. That is one of the most colorful dishes you will ever fix, huh? Oops. I just keep spilling stuff everywhere, don't I? Every time I say oops, that means I spilt it. Oh boy. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get all this in these, y'all. Wow. I'm thinking maybe not. Maybe, oops. See, there we went again. Alright, let's just put this back up on there for the, you know, picture. Did I get it? You know, you got to put it on Instagram. You got to put it on your Facebook page. All that good stuff. So let's make it picture worthy, shall we? Yeah, buddy. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, I hope you will. Just click that subscribe button. Doesn't cost you anything at all. Click that notification bell so you'll know each time we put new content on. And give us a thumbs up if you like this. Share it with your family. Let them know. If you like it, let me know. If you have suggestions on the other, well, you got feelings, I guess, then let me know. We like to try new things, obviously, because that's what we're doing now. Now, this is my dressing that I made, and we're just going to drizzle it so that it gets down inside there to the rice. Ooh, that smells so good, y'all. You probably hear me swallowing. Okay, y'all. We're ready to give it a try. Tom's trying to give me these forks over and over again, just so y'all know.
Probably about the last 15 minutes. I'm like, you need the forks? We ready for the forks yet?
He keeps trying to give it to me.
I've been waiting for this, y'all. I have.
Yeah, I've mentioned it to him several times today. And I heard his tummy growl real big just then. So, well, it's a little bit hard to get out there, but I was trying to get some of the rice too, but you know.
I'm just filling my fork cup. Wow.
Oh my goodness.
I might get a second fork. Y'all just don't even know. Hashtag 2 hands, 2 forks.
Look at that.
Yes.
Okay. I don't have a napkin, I'm sorry. We are gonna get off of here and we're gonna go finish. We're gonna put these on plates and we're gonna go finish eating this. I believe we're gonna have some lunch out of this tomorrow too. There's a lot of it on there, y'all. Look at that. Don't pay no attention to them dirty dishes over there. Look at that, how pretty. Isn't that pretty? Wow, just look. He's trying to hide them for me. Alright. Y'all take care, and we will see you next time. Bye.